Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. This is an important update regarding the FMS Delhi MBA application forms. Finally, the most awaited FMS Delhi MBA application forms 2023 have released on its official website. Candidates can apply through online. So in this video, we will discuss the important dates, including the last date to apply, and also let us look at the application process, eligibility criteria, selection process, and finally let us see why should you apply for FMS Delhi. Let us move on to the video. As per the notification, the last date for the FMS online application form is on January 20th, 2023. So the candidates are advised to apply before this deadline. And next, let us see how to apply for FMS Delhi. The online application form for the programs of FMS Delhi is available on the official website of FMS. So the candidates must follow the given instructions while applying and fill in the required details. And finally, the application fee is usually around 1000 rupees. And next, let us see who are eligible to apply for the MBA program of FMS Delhi. If you can see, the candidates applying for the admission to MBA program must have pursued at least a bachelor's degree program after 12 years of formal schooling with at least 50% marks at graduation level for the unreserved category. For SC or ST category, passing marks for OBC non-creamy layer or EWS or PWD or CW 45% as per the university rules. So the candidates appearing for the final year examination of bachelor's degree are also eligible to apply for FMS Delhi MBA program. Next, let us see the selection process at FMS Delhi. So the selection process at FMS is divided into two stages. In the stage 1, the candidates are shortlisted for the interviews on the basis of their CAT score. FMS Delhi gives more weightage for CAT scores, that is 50%. And in the second stage, the college selects based on the personal interview, extempore, and discussion on SOP. A final composite score is calculated after this, and the final selection will be made based on this. And the parameters for the final selection are CAT percentile, personal interview, extempore, and discussion on SOP, statement of purpose, and finally the academics, that is 10th and 12th scores. So this is all about the selection process at FMS Delhi. And finally, should you apply for FMS Delhi? FMS has been consistently ranked among top 5 B schools in the country. FMS has established itself as the best MBA college in India in terms of ROI, return on investment. The CAT cutoff for the college hovers around 98 to 99 plus percentile. The weightage for the CAT score in the final selection process is 50%. Therefore, a good CAT score boosts the chances of getting selected for the MBA program at FMS. Also, the average placement at FMS Delhi stands at 32 plus lakh per annum. Given the good placement record and a high weightage to CAT scores, one must not miss the chance of applying for FMS. For more important updates, please like the video and subscribe the channel. So thank you so much guys, and all the best.